Deploying a Flask app on Vercel is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to deploying your Flask application. Set up your Flask application. Ensure your Flask application is ready to be deployed. Typically, a Flask app consists of a main app.py file and any required templates or static files. Prepare your code. Your project should have a structure like this. Install required dependencies. Create a requirements.txt file with all the necessary Python packages. Sign up or log into Vercel. Visit Vercel and either create an account or log in if you already have one. Create a new project. Click the New Project button in the Vercel dashboard. Connect your Git repository. Choose your Git provider and link your Flask app repository. Select branch. Choose the branch containing your Flask app. Configure settings. Set environment variables or adjust other deployment settings if needed. Deploy your Flask app. Click the Deploy button to start the deployment process. Vercel will build and deploy your Flask application. Access your Flask app. After deployment, Vercel provides a unique URL such as yourappname.vercel.app. Custom domain. If you have a custom domain, you can configure it with Vercel.